Did you know that in Thailand they can prepare a multi-course meal just with coconut? Koh Samui is the island with the most coconut trees in the country, and you can use probably everything from that tree. I know coconut oil, coconut curries, coconut sugar, coconut water and coconut cream, but that there is way more you can use, I learned from Mo. He is the owner of a coconut oil production and the famous coconut museum.
So is this like a common
Yeah.
a coconut farm?
This is you see the coconut farm near the house, and the owner monkey, they will come to take the coconut in every 45 days.
Okay, so he's the monkey owner,
Yes.
and you have to call him when you have a
No,
farm?
they have schedule. So
Okay.
example, today they come to do this farm, right? Next 45 days they will come to this farm again. They will know in advance.
Okay. So the owner of the coconut farm has not to do it by himself.
Yes.
The harvesting.
Yeah.
And it's always a monkey doing the job.
We can do by monkey and by bamboo. Use the bamboo to collect coconut from the tree. But you see in Samui very high, you keep very high tree. So we use a monkey because this is around 100 years old of the tree.
100 years.
Yes. Coconut tree, some coconut, they can got the coconut ball until 120 years old, and then they lay down.
Wow. And it's the coconut is getting better the older the tree is?
Yeah.
Or
Either old is the best.
it's the best. And is it a difference between a coconut from the sea and from the mainland?
Different. When you see the coconut palm tree near the sea, such as on the beach, they don't have much of coconut.
And the taste?
Not creamy. The taste not good. In Thailand, we have many coconut species. Flavor coconut. This is coconut for make coconut milk species. And for make coconut milk species, we have like a subspecies. Again, very deeply in detail.
That's really. Let's not go so deep.
Okay, stop. That is really impressive. I had really no clue that there is so many different ways to use this coconut. So let's jump into the kitchen to find out how this all gonna work. His lovely parents just showed me how they use different coconuts and different ages of coconuts. But the most craziest thing I learned today was there is this little root growing inside the coconut, and well, that's the secret ingredient for a traditional tom yam goong, and it's so tender. It's
So, can you explain what dishes we have and what different types of coconut are inside? Because I forgot.
Okay, we start with this one, appetizer.
The appetizer?
Yes. In Thai, we call miang kham. The miang kham, we will have many herbs in one shot.
Okay.
Yeah, just add the ginger, onion, shrimp, bean, and the sauce with the coconut sugar.
Okay.
Next, come to the main dish. We have like a coconut omelette. From the middle coconut.
Yes. Okay.
And this one,
And the oil.
And the oil, and coconut oil.
Yeah.
And here, tom yam goong. Tom yam goong is a favorite food. In Southern, we put the young coconut root for ingredient in tom yam goong.
So crazy.
And the last one, we eat with the young coconut shell.
Yes. The white meat.
The white meat, the shell. And the dessert, that is from coconut milk in separate.
Yes.
Strong coconut milk and light coconut milk. This is all from coconut.
This is all from coconut. Wow. Thank you so much. It looks really, really good.
Okay.
And let's start to eat.
Start with the appetizer first.
Start with the appetizer. Yes.
So, are you ready to taste Thailand yourself? Then go and book your next culinary experience with TUI BLUE Hotels. Go to our webpage and book your next culinary adventure right now. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get some more exciting travel footage. See you soon.